Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. And today it's not really showing you something to sell. I want to show you something not to purchase. What do we have here? We have a Ford F-150. And as you know, Ford likes to sell covers as well. Now this is a cover from Ford that this gentleman got when he bought his truck. As you can see, this cover, take a good look, Joel, on this cover here. This is a Ford cover. Now, Ford technically don't make their own covers. They buy it from another company. I'm not going to mention their name, but it's not a particularly good cover, this model. I know this model really well, and you can see what happens is the vinyl on this shrinks, and as you can see, it starts pulling out, and you know, it fades really bad. And then let's go ahead and take a look underneath here. It's missing its piece. One of the pieces came out. Of course, this thing doesn't really operate too well anymore. Okay, so okay, there we go. So this, again, this is a Ford cover. Now, the one thing I do like about this is it says Ford on it. I do like that. So, but again, there's a lot of covers that the manufacturers are selling. Ford is one of them, and what they're doing a lot of times is they're like the manufacturer makes this, has a new model. They don't sell that model. They sell the older model that they sell at a discount. And for example, the new model has a 5-year warranty, and then if we put it on for you, we make it 10. Now, this one here, 2 years. That is it. 2-year warranty. That's all you get for this very expensive cover. And as you can see, unfortunately, right after past 2 years, it just started, well, you can see for yourself what it looks like right now. Man, I don't know what to say. I mean, Ford, man, you should be a little embarrassed, but I'm sorry I'm putting a video out there, but I have done this in the past, things that you shouldn't get. I recommend not getting the Ford cover. You know, come to someone like us, you know, it might not say Ford on it, but you know what, do you want this? I know I don't want this. Joel, again, go ahead and video on this so you can, you know, let people see what they're getting here from Ford. You know, we didn't put it in, we didn't sell it to them. We are just warning you, this is a product that you should stay away from. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and the title of my video is don't buy a cover from Ford. There's maybe one that might be okay, but a lot of them, they're not that great. Thanks again.